front-loading washing machine in silver color. It is suitable for families with 5 or more members. This LG washing machine comes with 6-motion direct drive technology that moves the wash drum in multiple directions, removing rough stains without damaging the fabric. With the inverter direct drive technology, the washing machine has its motor attached directly to the drum that reduces noise, vibration, and the wear and tear in the machine. This front-loading washing machine features a rust-proof stainless steel drum that makes it more durable. It also comes with a waterproof touch panel that can be operated even with wet hands. The panel also comes with a child lock feature. The LG washing machine has an inbuilt heater that can heat water up to 60 degrees centigrade to remove all kinds of stains and allergens from your clothes for a more hygienic wash. With a maximum rotational speed of 1200 RPM, this washing machine delivers efficient cleaning. This high spin speed also enables easy drainage of water at the end of the wash cycle. The tub clean feature in the machine sterilizes the tub, keeping it more hygienic. This washing machine comes with auto restart function that helps the machine to start from the same place where it had stopped due to power failure. It also comes with smart diagnosis feature that helps you diagnose and solve any problem in the machine quickly and easily with the help of an app. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 10 years on motor.
An 8 kg fully automatic front-load washing machine, and that is ideal for families with 6 to 8 members. The machine comes with 15 quick wash programs to cater to the laundry needs of Indian homes. The LED display panel comes with child lock facility. It has a maximum rotational speed of 1200 RPM that delivers efficient cooling with high spin speed and faster drying time. The washing machine comes with an Eco Drum Clean technology that removes detergent residues from the drum to avoid unpleasant odor forming. This ensures a hygienic, clean wash every time for your clothes. The Eco Bubble feature protects the color and texture of your clothes by delivering a powerful but gentle cleaning performance. Detergent is turned into bubbles so that it quickly penetrates into fabric and removes dirt easily. Digital inverter technology uses strong magnets for a quieter and more powerful performance. It consumes less energy. For the ultimate convenience, Eco Drum Clean technology keeps your front-load washer fresh from chemicals. It can even notify you automatically when it needs cleaning. Smart Check is an automatic error monitoring system. Using a smartphone app with Wi-Fi connection, it detects and diagnoses problems at an early stage. It then provides quick and easy solutions. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 10 years on motor.